Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. For those of you that are new to my channel or haven't been here for a while, I finally got my new computer. Along with that, I was able to do some updates, and some of the programs I have drastically changed. And the one we're going to be dealing with today is Gimp. For those of you that are experienced with Gimp or have been using it a long time, this video probably isn't for you. But for those that just started with Gimp or having an issue that I was having on how to get letters to go around a circle, this video should be of help. Also, I want to mention down in the description, I've been using TubeBuddy for quite a while now to do the thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And it's an easy program to work with, a lot less complicated than Gimp. But Gimp does have a lot of features that TubeBuddy doesn't offer. Gimp is a free program you could download, and so is TubeBuddy. The link to TubeBuddy is in the description down below. If you haven't tried it, give it a run. It's a free program. The paid version gives you a few more options, but the free program is enough to get you started. With that said, let's get into this Gimp program. When you open up the Gimp program, if you had it before, you can see the screen is different. There's a way of changing this. I have to look into it. And some of these icons are also different. Why they changed them, I don't know. But you still open it up the same. You go to File, click on New, set your width and your height. Also, go to the Advanced Options, and where it says Filled with Background Color, you go with the background color, white or transparency. I want it in white. Click OK. You get your screen. Come back up, follow the cursor, and go to Image. Scroll down, go to Guides, click on New Guides by percent, hit OK. Come back to Image, scroll down to Guides again, New Guides by percent. Now you want an opposite line, vertical, hit OK. Your computer might be set up different, it might go the other sequence first. Come back up to the top, hit View, make sure it says Snap to Guides. Okay, we're good there. Next, go to the ellipse icon, click on it, come down to the center. I'm using a mouse, so click on the left key and click on the Shift, and as you open the circle, you'll get a perfect circle. Make it to the size you want. Let go with the mouse first, then the Shift key. Next, come up to Select. Scroll down to Path. We'll make it a path for the letters to go around. Click Select again, click on None. If you come up to the path icon, click on that, and there's a bullseye over here that's behind it. Click on that bullseye and your path key shows up. Next, go to the text icon, and on this program you have to double click it to see the editing for this text. Make it to the font, the size that you want, the color, and then do your text. For this video I'm just using capital A's. Okay. Now we have our text. If you come back up to the layers and click on the text, if you right click on it and scroll down, hit text along path, this is how you would do it before, it would show up along the top. With the newer program, it's showing up on the bottom. We don't want that. We want it along the top. So I'm going to eliminate that. To get it up here, we have to come over to this flip icon right here. Click on that, double click it, and make sure that it's on the path icon. Not the layer, not the selection, but the path. Then come down to the path itself and click on it. Now go back to the layer menu, right click it, and go to text along path. You can see it's on the right side. We could eliminate this, we no longer need it. And now scroll down to the bottom, click on Create New Layer and add it to the image. Click on OK. Scroll up to the path icon, click on that. click on the path icon and top one right up here. Click on it, scroll down to Add to Selection. When you see this happening, you know you're on it. You can eliminate that path now. Come over to the Edit key on top, scroll down, fill with color. Come back up, hit Select, hit None. Alright. Now come back to the layers. Make sure you're on the right one. You're on this. Come over to the Rotate tool. Click on that. Okay. And just grab the text and roll it along the circle. To the side, top, bottom, however you want it. Get that a little more even. Hit Rotate, and there you have it. Now, if you want to get rid of the background color, you don't want the background color, you can get rid of it and just have and save your text. If you're using the background color, just leave it. To get rid of this path key, just come up to path and eliminate that, and that's it. If you still work, if this is part of a project and you're not finished with it, come up to File and you could just save it. If you're done with it, you can export it to any place you want on your computer. Name it. It's a PNG file, and you can bring it back forward. Well, guys, that's it. As simple as this looks, and it is simple, it took me hours and hours to figure out how to do this. So if you found this useful or have any questions, let me know by posting your comments down below. And if you did find it useful, give it a like and be sure to pass it on to someone else who may find it useful. And for now, guys, that's a wrap. Until next time, stay safe and stay well.